Y'all, I just had the random idea to start filming. Now, it looks a mess in here. The way I just got stuff all over the place. 2 weeks ago, I got my nails done at the nail salon. I did not like them, so I actually bought a nail driller and drilled off the gel polish, and then I shaped them with my nail file. You know, I couldn't go around with nails, you know, so I just shaped them until all my products came in the mail. So I hopped on Amazon and bought a bunch of nail stuff. I was like, I want to learn myself. I'm not any type of way or form or fashion any professional. I don't have no idea what I'm doing, but anyway, purchased the nail filer off of Amazon. So yeah, I think her name was Natalia something, and I was watching her beginner videos and she was using these products, so I picked up a little set. This is the bomb. I got the nail prep, but I don't need that because I'm just doing a fill-in. I got the liquid. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Monomer. I also got 2 acrylics, and y'all see they're tiny because I don't know what I'm doing. So I got the pink one and the clear one. Today we're just gonna use the clear one. I also got me a little, I guess you can call it acrylic cup, sis, I don't know. And then I already had these 2. I picked up this Sally Color Therapy. This is in the color well 110. I've been had this, and then I picked up some clear polish, which I already had. I don't know what that stuff is or what happened. Picked up this machine, and this is what it looks like, a nail drill machine. And this is brown by this brand YaFex, I think. So yeah, this is the driller. This is the drill bit I had on now as well, and it came with few, what is it called, drill bits and sanders. I don't know, y'all. I told y'all I don't know these terminologies. These came off of Amazon as well. I did get this brush off of Amazon. I know that they said that for beginners they would recommend a brush, I think they said 10. This is a number 8 brush because I'm like, sis, I don't know what I'm doing. Also got my little nail dryer thingy majiggy. This is from LKE, and just bought this. I wish I had this when I was removing my color off of my nails because it says dust was everywhere. So I apologize to y'all if the lighting is terrible, okay? I apologize. Hopefully y'all can see something. But anyway, I know they say you're supposed to prep your brush before using it, so that's what I am about to do. Alright, so I actually filled this cup up with some warm water, and I'm gonna go ahead and just shape this brush. Yo, I be scared when I be trying stuff for the first time because I don't be knowing what I'm doing at all. So I think I'm gonna do it like this. On the side. This actually looks small though, so I probably could have got the 10. I don't know, y'all. All right, so my brush is prepped, or it's gonna be prepped to the best of my abilities, because like I said, let me stop saying I don't know what I'm doing the whole video, because y'all know that, okay? This is like beginner. I can sand down, I mean not sand down, I can buff away the shine around my natural nail before, where's my other one I was using, and get around my cuticle area. Now I already pushed my cuticle back because like I said, I was doing this process before I decided to film it. But I actually have my drill on 5,000. I heard that that was pretty decent to buff your natural nails. Alright, so I was taking my time because I didn't want to cut myself, and 2, I wanted to make sure I got my cuticle. They said that if you do not get your cuticle area, it will prompt and your nails lifted. Alright, so now I'm going to take the primer, this primer, and go ahead and prime my nails with it. I never did any of this before, so I'm super nervous. But at the end of the day, it's my hand. If I mess that up, that's on me. I gotta walk around with it, or I can just soak it off in the acetone. I am gonna go ahead and get my Mia Secrets clear acrylic powder. All right, here it is. Here she is up close. And I already took the paper off. Okay, so I'm gonna take my liquid monomer. Y'all, I was so weird. And then pour some in here. This smells like the nail salon now. I don't know why I spilled it. So do I dip it in here first and then the powder and let it bead up?
pick up a bead, and as always, we're not going to be working with a lot of product because of course we're only doing a feel, so we don't need a lot. Place my bead down, patting it down, and when I'm patting down, I'm like pushing it to the sides. That way we get, you know, a even coverage.
It looks so easy to do, but I tell you it's not. It doesn't look even. Okay, we're gonna go on to the next finger because your girl don't know what she doing. She don't know. Alright guys, so I did go ahead and switch over to a voiceover because I want to get a little personal with you guys. Okay, so honestly, I wasn't going to post this video because it was just going downhill. I was getting very frustrated, and this experience, although I was super excited to be doing something new, it was frustrating for me. I was getting acrylic all on my skin, okay? I was getting acrylic all on my skin. I was putting the acrylic, the bead, too close to my cuticle. It was just a hot mess. When I tell you guys, it was a hot mess. It was lumpy. I did not know the proper liquid to powder ratio. As you guys can see, that it was very much runny. It was giving runny, okay? Run away. But honestly, that's why I stopped talking, because I wanted to be, well, stop talking in the video because I wanted to be fully present and to have that experience of doing my nails for the first time. And from this experience, y'all, I've learned a lot. Now, honestly, I was a little bit intimidated because after watching the footage, I was like, maybe I'm not going to post it because honestly, the people who had the titles like me, like doing the nails for the first time or doing whatever it was for the first time, it always seemed to come out perfect. Now, I can't say that for everybody's video because I didn't watch everybody's video. So I felt like I was being more so intimidated and defending myself throughout the video because I didn't want nobody saying you did this wrong, you did that wrong, why'd you put this up, this is a mess, blah blah blah. Y'all know I be in my head a lot of times anyway, so maybe people ain't gonna say that because it says beginner, duh. But honey, I'm just thinking of how society is. They would drag you in the mud just because you don't know what you're doing. Like, I'm showing you guys that this is how life really works. Like, you didn't learn how to tie your shoes in one day, you didn't learn how to talk even in one day, you know? So it's like everything takes time, and the more experience you have with it and the more time you spend time perfecting that craft, sis, you're gonna be a beast, you're gonna be bomb. So here I also learned after the experience, I was confused as to why my nail filer was cutting the heck out of my skin. I didn't know you were supposed to prep that either, okay? So I've learned a tip is to take 2 nail filers and to file them together, which duals the side of the one that you're using. And hey, you won't be cutting yourself. But sis, I was cutting the heck out of myself. So yeah, so like I said, shaping it is pretty much easy. In my opinion, I've been doing that. I can't even say this is my first time shaping or filing because I used to file my press-on nails when they used to be too big. But they used to be too big. I said, I'm still wearing these. So I have a little bit of experience in filing my nails. So here I'm just attempting, y'all. I said attempting to file around the cuticle area. Here I had no idea what I was doing, how far I was supposed to go. I forgot what setting that I placed my drill on, but I know I did it slower because I wanted to take my time, but I ended up pressing too hard on the drill because I felt heat friction against my nail and it was hot and it hurt. I ended up definitely cutting the heck out of my cuticles as well, because sis, everything is a learning experience. I'm telling you, you could watch how many tutorials you want, you could watch how many, go to classes, but if you don't have that hands-on experience, you're not going to understand what it is that you're supposed to be doing and how it's supposed to be done. It's like words do not teach. I don't care what nobody says. Words do not teach. Life experiences do, or your experiences do. So that's what I wanted to say. But like I said, I just wanted to put a video out where it was real and raw and not perfect, y'all. Y'all will see that I have acrylic on my actual skin. The size of my nails, or like some of them are wider and some of them are smaller than the other, you know. So I said I want to bring back being very much realistic, okay? Because like we're the microwavable generation where we feel, hey, I'm gonna start a business tonight and tomorrow morning I'm gonna be a millionaire, you know. So it's gonna take me time to learn how to do it, and to perfect it, of course. But I want to bring y'all along on the journey, okay? I've already ordered another set, like, because I'm gonna take these all off and I want to start from scratch. So I just want to get back into the habit of showing real, like being just very much realistic, okay? Here I'm just buffing off the nails to polish the nails. Y'all see that acrylic sitting on my cuticle area? Y'all cannot tell me y'all don't see that, because it's there, okay? Y'all, why did I just now come into realization of the fact that nail polish and gel polish are not one and the same? Like y'all probably said, one would have already known that, or one should have already known that. And I'm like, no, no, your girl didn't know it. So I wish I'd known that though, because I've been always buying regular nail polish and trying to dry it under an LED lamp and wondering why it was never drying. Like I did it with this polish in this hand here. I said, something is wrong. Why is this not drying? Then I actually took it upon myself to research it. And I'm like, oh, nail polish requires air to dry, and gel polish needs an LED lamp. You would have been like, duh, but like, sis, I don't care. I don't care about looking dumb. I don't care about looking stupid. Baby, teach me. I am that teachable one. Like, I don't care. I will ask questions if I don't know. I don't even care if you think I should know it already. A wise man knows that he knows nothing at all, okay? Teachable. Teach me, baby. So that is one thing I learned as well. I don't know if y'all didn't know it. Y'all probably already did. I don't care, but now I know it. So even if you wanted to call me dumb, I'm not dumb now, because now I know that information that you know? Anyway, I just wanted to keep it 100 and just open and realistic, and I just wanted to do this type of video, and I want to continue to do it. So I've ordered some more stuff as well, because I want to do like a full acrylic set starting from scratch, okay? Starting from nothing on my nails, no press-ons. You know, one would think that this was easier because I already had the nails on, but let me tell you, baby, nothing is easy when you do it for the first time. It's just like me installing hair. That wasn't easy when I first did that, but as I kept doing it, I kept learning from my mistakes. You know, I don't call anything, I don't like using the word failures, but when you fail, there's a lesson in your failures, okay? So long as you take them lessons and apply them to your next experience, and the experience from that one, baby, you gonna be a beast, okay? So just know that whatever you do, never quit. Giving up, that's weak, you know? Keep going, keep perfecting it, and says it's gonna turn out bomb. Y'all about to witness this journey. Y'all see this is where I started and where I'm about to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed. All products will be listed down in the description section below. And until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye.